Hey guys, and welcome back to another video, and today I'm going to be taking you on a tour of my setup. So let's get started. Now, to begin, I picked up this all-white desk at IKEA. I will leave a link in the description down below to where you can pick up this desk for yourself. Now, the reason I went with this desk is because of its clean all-white tabletop design, as well as it had room for all of my PCs without having to keep one on the floor. I also like the fact that both sides of the desk have these two large Alex drawers, which are perfect for storage. And every setup starts with a good desk, so if you guys are looking for this desk at an affordable price, be sure to check the link in the description down below. So now I'm going to go over my cable management with you guys here. So as we can see, I have a rack here where I keep all of my cables. Now this is called the Signum rack. I picked this up at IKEA as well. It was fairly inexpensive and it does a great job of keeping all my cables nice and tidy and off the floor. And at the end of the day, when it comes to cable management, just make sure the top of your desk is clean and you do not have any cables on the bottom of the desk. Now, if you're wondering about the RGB light strips that I use, these are actually fairly inexpensive. They only cost around $20 to $30. I did do a video on it in the past, so check that out on my channel if you'd like to know more. So over here I've got my 2013 Mac Pro. Now this is my main machine when it comes to editing videos and doing all of my work on. In the center here I have my HP printer sitting on top of a storage unit that I used to keep some equipment inside. Now this is not something that I show too often, but over here I have my secondary setup. For peripherals, I just have the Apple Keyboard 2, as well as a Microsoft Wireless Mouse 3000. As for the display, I have the old Samsung monitor that I replaced with my ultrawide. So that's it for this video. If there's an item that you'd like to see more in depth on in this setup, please leave a comment down below. Thanks for watching!